Today's 2-Minute Tech Tip is on Google Sites, Part 2. So here's the website that we created last week, and you probably want to know what this looks like to your students when they access it on their phones. Up here at the top you have a preview button. When you click that, you're given several options. One is a phone, so you can see what that's going to look like on your student's phone as they scroll through the page. One is a tablet, so you can see what it looks like on an iPad or the laptop screen. And you just close that preview. That's handy when you're working, especially with students who are going to access this. Also, we only have right now one page, so to add pages, you click on the Pages tab and you click the plus sign down at the bottom. We're going to name this Schedule. And we can, again, change the header type if we want. And we can insert text, a layout, same kinds of things. In this case, I'm going to show you that you can insert a calendar. This is from a Google Classroom. So you need to make sure that this calendar's permissions are set up to be visible to whomever's going to be using your website, whether that's parents or just students. And you can also click on the YouTube to insert if you have a URL that you want to include, and you can move that around. I don't want it in my header. And also you can insert a Google Slides presentation. Again, you need to make sure that the settings for this slides presentation, the shared settings, are open for anyone who views the page. Once you have your website ready to go public for your students, you click the Publish button up at the top. And you can name it whatever's going to be on the end of this. The rest of this information is going to be set, but at the very end you name it what you want it to be. And then you can also change who can view your site. Right now I've got it set to anyone. I think the default is that it is only viewable for people inside Fayette County. So you can change that there. Once you're done, you hit Publish. And then it publishes that website so that anyone, when they have that link that was on that page, can see it. You can look back at those published settings if you need to copy this link to share with people. So for example, send it to me to put on our PLD website or to share with your students. Next week we'll cover a few more tips. If you need help with your Google site, just let me know.